So, welcome you all in biology class, and today we are going to start our chapter digestive system. You all know, like cell, that one is the basic structure and functional unit of life. It means when we talk about the life, it means we are talking about the cell. In all the organisms, basic unit is the cell. When different cell combines together, then they form the tissues combine to form organ, and the different organ combine to form the organ system, and then the formation of an organism will take place. So, in our body, different organ system are there which perform the specific function. Like for that one is for transportation of material, circulatory system for exchange of gases, oxidation of food, respiratory system for the removal of the waste material from the body, excretory system, as well as for the utilization of the nutrient and the absorption of the air in our body. That organ system, this one is the digestive system. Okay, so in that one is it shows the proper utilization and absorption of the different nutrients in our body, which helps us to provide the energy. You all know we need energy to perform all the different functions. Okay, and from where we get this energy? We get this energy from the nutrients. From the nutrients. These are the substances. What are these nutrients? These are the substances which are present in the food. Present in the food. Okay. What are these? The categories of these nutrients, and these are required by the body for providing the energy. What is the category of these nutrients? These are divided into these nutrients. They nourish our body, and that one is known as the types of nutrients. These are the carbohydrates and fats, then proteins, then vitamins and minerals. These are the different nutrients, okay? Vitamin and minerals. So, carbohydrate and fats, they are come in the energy giving food. Which type of food? Energy giving food. Carbohydrate and fats. Then protein, that one is come under the body building food, which helps to repair the worn out of cells. Body building food. Okay, and then vitamins and minerals, they come in the category of the protective food. Protective food. Okay, so these are the different categories of the nutrient which are present in the different food components and which are utilized in our body. It is important in our body, and according to the need of our body, that has been provided to our body in the different diet, and the diet which contains all the nutrient in the proper amount according to the need of our body, that diet is known as the balanced diet. Balanced diet. Okay, and the process of containing food and utilizing it for growth, repair of the body, and for obtaining energy, that process is known as the nutrition. Okay, so this one is about the nutrient, different nutrient, category of the different nutrient, balanced diet and nutrition. So that one is all. Now I will start, that one is the human digestive system in the next video, in which you people are able to get the group of organisms that make up a long digestive tract, that one is known as the alimentary canal. Okay, and the digestive gland. So this one is all for today's class. We will make the next class on it, and you people have to revise all the things. This is all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.